In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to your organization in Make.com, a powerful tool for connecting apps and designing workflows that can streamline your digital operations. Whether you're expanding your team or just need to share your creative automations, adding new users is a straightforward process that I'm about to guide you through step by step. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Make.com homepage. Go ahead and open your web browser and type in the address. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is log in. If you look towards the top right of the page, you'll see the Log In button. Give that a click to get started. Now, Make.com offers several login options, and if you're like me, you might prefer a login method that's both quick and secure. On this page, you'll find various ways to sign in, but today we'll choose the Sign In with Google option. It's a secure and fast way if you have your Google account handy. Once you've signed in, you'll land on a dashboard designed to keep everything at your fingertips. Look for the Organization tab, usually positioned at the top of the screen, and click on it. This tab is your gateway to managing your team and various other administrative tasks. At this point, we'll need to head over to the Users section. You'll find this option readily available, and once you've clicked on it, you'll open up all the functionalities you need to manipulate user settings. Now that you're under the Users section, let's move on to inviting a new user to your organization. Spot the Invite User button and click on it. This action will open a page where you can invite team members by specifying their details. When you're on the invite page, you'll need to enter some key information about the person you're adding. Start by typing the necessary details into the highlighted fields. You'll likely need to fill in things like the new member's email address, so make sure you have that information ready before proceeding. As you input the information, the system will provide suggestions or highlights that you can select. Pay attention to these options as they can streamline the process. Once you've entered all required information, confirm your selections by clicking on the highlighted options provided by the platform. Next, it's time to define roles. Choose Member for the role, which is suitable for general users. If you've structured your team under My Team, make sure to indicate this by clicking the My Team section. Finally, to wrap things up, visually confirm all your choices look good and then click on Save. This action finalizes the invitation and sends out the necessary emails to get your new member onboarded. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new user to your organization on Make.com. This process is designed to be as efficient as possible because nothing should slow down your automation creativity.